Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the Google account, Google backup section. And all we have to do is to tap on Add Account. Of course, if you do not have the Google account currently added to your device. So here from this step we can either create a new account or simply enter our email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and your device will autofill it. What's more, be aware that you need the internet connection to do that. So let me tap on next, and now let me enter the password. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course I highly recommend to read them. Just tap on it and you will be transferred to the special section with the terms and tap on I agree. And right here we've got this section with the Google one, so the Google backup. You can check how much space you've got here. You've got 15 gigabytes of the storage to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, so if you will be connected to the Wi-Fi, then your device will backup new data. Of course, it will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily whenever you want. So let's tap on turn on, and as you can see, again we've got this kind of a backup section. Here we've got the account storage, so as you can see we can check how much we've got used. We've got also the backup now option, so all we have to do in order to backup the data is to tap on it. Let's do it. Your device will show you the details, what already has been backed up, and right here at the very bottom you've got the advanced settings and backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off because as you can see we've got the information that the charges may apply. So of course it's better to simply leave it turned off. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.